Welcome to my channel where reading is fun.
I Know a Rhino by Charles Fuge. I know a rhino. We like to take tea. I have 2 sugars and Rhino has 3. I know a pig and we play in the dirt. We always have mud fights, but no one gets hurt. I know an ape and we keep in good shape, singing pop songs and dancing along to a tape. I know a hippo, and when she's not busy, we spin round and round until we get dizzy. I know a dragon. He's scaly and bold. I'd look after him when he's got a bad cold. I know a giraffe, and we laugh and we laugh, blowing hundreds of bubbles when we take a bath. I know a bear, and when it is sunny, we go for a picnic with brown bread and honey. I know a leopard who loves to get dressed. In a suit, tie, and top hat, he's simply the best. These are my friends. I know them, you see. I know them quite well because they live with me. The end.
Thank you for watching. Please check out my other videos on my YouTube channel at Miss Sherri Gulley. Follow, like, subscribe, and share. The goal is to have a video out for you guys every single day to help you with your bedtime stories or your stories throughout the day.